Holy crap, another EAS.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning, which is in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. The blowing dust advisory is no longer in effect. A number of thunderstorm wind gusts have generated areas of dense blowing dust moving through portions of Interstate 10 between Casa Grande and Phoenix. Affected area, northern and northwestern Pinal County, including Casa Grande, Maricopa, and Stanfield, and parts of the greater Phoenix area. Timing, valid until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Winds, sustained wind to 20 miles an hour, with gusts to 40 miles an hour. Visibility less than 1/4 mile. Impacts, rapidly changing visibility on highways, including Interstate 10 north of Casa Grande to Phoenix, Interstate 8 west of Casa Grande, and Highway 347 north of Maricopa. Precautionary preparedness actions. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway, or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive.
Double header, please. Double header! I got a double header! That means that... Hold on a sec.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning.
Yes, I got a double header.
Mountain Standard Time this evening. The blowing dust advisory is no longer in effect. A number of thunderstorm wind gusts have generated areas of dense blowing dust moving through portions of Interstate 10 between Casa Grande and Phoenix. Affected area, northern and northwestern Pinal County, including Casa Grande, Maricopa, and Stanfield, and parts of the greater Phoenix area. Timing, valid until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Winds, sustained wind to 20 miles an hour, with gusts to 40 miles an hour.
Holy crap, it's double header.
Less than 1/4 mile.
Wow.
Impacts, rapidly changing visibility on highways, including Interstate 10 north of Casa Grande to Phoenix, Interstate 8 west of Casa Grande, and Highway 347 north of Maricopa. Precautionary preparedness actions. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway, or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your
Triple header, come on.
Remember, pull aside, stay alive.
Triple header, come on. Okay, let's agree. Triple header.
You are listening to Weather Radio KC94, Phoenix, Arizona, serving South Central Arizona, including the greater Phoenix metropolitan area. Here is the 4 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Now.
Hello, Nick.
Hello.
I actually just got a double header dust storm warning.
Nice.
Yep.
I really want to see a test storm warning. I want on a 300 or 100.
Okay.
By the way, Paul, I'm on the phone with Blackstar.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, just tell Blackstar that on the second EAS I got the tones. Not the first one, but the second one. Oh, wait, they're not clear, sorry. They're not really clear. I yelled out double header. Whoops.
Yeah, Paul is on here. Okay. So you probably got the tones for the double header, thank God. Wait, what's double header dust storm warning? What the hell?
Yes. I'm calling an EAS fan on Skype.
Wait, you got a dust storm warning, double header. Which one was the second alert?
They're all dust storm warnings, and I have a dust storm outside actually.
Okay.